In the flexible and sustainable workforce category, we were looking for fresh, forward-thinking initiatives involving the workforce and team development that achieved measurable improvements to services and care for patients. The clinical team adopted an approach that was more about what they could do, what was within their control as a clinical team, rather than what they couldn't control, in order to bring about improvements to the care of patients using their services. The team was well established, and they used data and information to support the change that they wanted to achieve, and that was particularly impressive. This was a team that adopted an attitude which signalled that everybody within the team was a leader. This was a strategic initiative aimed at achieving national guidance for the care of patients suffering from cancer. And this team took a very proactive and tenacious approach to working with other clinical colleagues in various departments across the organisation in order to engage with them and to bring about the changes that were needed to support the improvement in the care of this particular category of patients. And they achieved this very successfully. This was an established clinical team who understood the importance of meeting targets, but wanted to move more towards improving the quality of the patient experience. So they adopted considerable negotiation and persuasion amongst other colleagues, and this actually resulted in them reducing variations in practice, which subsequently did help them to achieve targets and also to reduce some of the cost of certain procedures. A key theme running through all of the entries was the use of data and information to support and drive the change that the multidisciplinary team wanted to achieve for their service users. In addition, there was extensive engagement and communication, and this was particularly important. And this ranged from board level to the bedside. We need to think workforce if we're to address the challenges facing NHS Wales. And I think these three projects, along with all of the other entries within this category, did just that, and in doing so, they've delivered better care for patients.